Hello students, I am your computer teacher Miss Madhuri from California Public School. So class 4th, today we are going to start our next chapter, that is lesson number 8, features of a file management, and today date is 18 June 2020. So let's begin. Students, you are well versed with the fact that in a computer the information is stored in a file and all the related files are clubbed inside a folder. They are saying you are well versed with the fact that in a computer the information is stored in a file. As we know very well about that, every information we can store in the form of file, and the related files are clubbed inside a folder. So that files we can togetherly store inside a folder. So what is a folder? A folder is like a file cabinet, and arranging files in it make it easy to locate the files. So if we are storing our files in a folder, then it would easy for us that we can locate the files in a fast manner. So a folder can hold other folders as well. So inside one folder we can also store another folders. So a folder within a folder is called a subfolder. So a folder within a folder is called a subfolder. So you can differentiate a file from a folder with the help of icons associated with them. So जो फाइल और फोल्डर, आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन सा फाइल है और कौन सी फोल्डर है, कैसे पता चलेगा? आपको उसका आइकन है जो उससे क्लियर हो जाएगा कि कौन सी फाइल है और कौन सा फोल्डर है. So let us learn about the operations related to file management in this chapter. So today we are going to discuss different operations that we can perform on files. So first operation we have, that is creating a file. How we can create a file? So the most common method to create a file is by using any application software. So any application software we can use to create any file. So let us use Microsoft Word to create a file. So in Microsoft Word application, how we can create a file? So these steps we have to follow. Firstly, open Microsoft Word. A blank page is displayed on the screen. So when you will open Microsoft Word, a blank page will display on your screen. Now start typing text on the blank page. Now you can type anything that you want to store in the file. So after completing your work, save your file by clicking on the file tab and then save option. So now we have done our written work and now we want to save our file, then we just have to click on the file tab and then save option, and typing a suitable name in the file name box present in the save as dialog box, and this creates a new file. As you can see, which one is your file tab? This one is your file tab. Firstly you have to click on the file tab and then you have to choose save option. So save as dialog box will open and then you have to give your file name, and after that you have to click on the save button, then your file will be saved for future use. So next we have how we can create a folder. As now we have done how we can create a file, but now we are going to learn how we can create a folder. So राइट क्लिक ऑन द ब्लैंक एरिया ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप. जो हमारी फर्स्ट स्क्रीन होती है, जो डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन है, उस पर हमने क्या करना है? राइट क्लिक करना है. माउस से क्या करना है? राइट क्लिक, एंड देन अ शॉर्टकट मेन्यू अपीयर्स. सो दिस वन मेन्यू, अ शॉर्टकट मेन्यू विल appear. So place the pointer on the new option, a list of sub options appear. Then you have to place your mouse pointer on the new option. This one is your new option, and then when you will place your mouse pointer on the new option, then sub option menu will appear. This one menu will appear. So click on the folder option. As we want to create a folder, then we will choose this one, folder option. So a new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop. So when we will click on this folder option, then a new folder is created for us. So in that folder we can store our files. So type a name for the folder at the cursor position and press the enter key. So अगर अब हमारा फोल्डर है जो वो क्रिएट हो चुका है, अब हमने क्या करना है? उसका नेम देना है. देन we can type name according to our requirement and then we have to press the enter key. So a new folder will create. A new folder is created. So next we have how we can copying a file or folder, how we can create a duplicate copy of the file or folder. So copying a file or folder means to create a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. So जो same file or folder है हमें वो किसी दूसरी location पे भी चाहिए, then we can choose copy option. So to copy a file from one place to another, follow these steps. So these steps we have to follow. So double click on the computer icon on the desktop. On the desktop there is computer icon. We have to double click on the icon. So it will display the hard disk drives, CD, DVD drives, removable devices and network locations that are connected to your computer. So when you will double click on the computer icon, then computer icon window, computer information will be displayed, whether it is a hard disk drive, CD, DVD drives, removable drives, everything will open. So according to our requirement we can choose any drive. So double click on the D drive icon. Now they are choosing D drive. So it will display all the files and folders stored in it. तो अब क्या वो ओपन करके देगा, डी ड्राइव में जितनी फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स है सभी को क्या कर देगा, ओपन कर देगा, डिस्प्ले कर देगा. सो सिलेक्ट एनी फाइल और फोल्डर दैट यू वांट टू कॉपी. अब हम फाइल और फोल्डर सिलेक्ट करेंगे जिसको हमने कॉपी करना है, एंड देन क्लिक ऑन द ऑर्गेनाइज बटन एंड सिलेक्ट द कॉपी ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू. From this one dialog box, this one is your computer icon dialog box. So when you will double click on the icon, this one dialog box will appear. तो यहाँ पे जो लेफ्ट साइड अभी दिखाई नहीं दे रही, तो वहाँ पे ऑप्शंस होंगी लोकल डिस्क और सी डी रिमूवेबल डिस्क. तो वहाँ से हमने डी ड्राइव ओपन कर लेनी है. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट फाइल और फोल्डर दैट वी वांट टू कॉपी, एंड देन वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द ऑर्गेनाइज एंड देन कॉपी ऑप्शन. So choose the location where you want to place the copied file, then click on the paste option in the organize drop down menu. अब हमने डी ड्राइव से जो फाइल को अभी कॉपी किया है, अब हमने जिसको जहाँ पे हम इसको प्लेस करना चाहते हैं, डुप्लीकेट कॉपी क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, तो वहाँ पे जाके हमने क्या करना है, वो ड्राइव ओपन करनी है. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू चूज ऑर्गेनाइज एंड देन पेस्ट ऑप्शन. देन वी हैव टू चूज पेस्ट ऑप्शन. तो जो पेस्ट ऑप्शन यहाँ पे अभी लाइट सी है, तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगी, वो हाईलाइट हो जाएगी. सो नोटिस दैट द फाइल गेट्स कॉपीड टू द न्यू लोकेशन. सो दैट फाइल दैट you have chosen now, that will copy to the another location. So at last we have renaming a file or folder. As the name suggests, renaming means we want to change the name of a file or folder. We want to give another name to the file or folder. So to rename a file or folder, right click on it and select the rename option from the shortcut menu. जैसे आपका ये folder, आपने इसका name change करना है, then you will right click on the folder or file. So then you have to choose rename option, and after that type the new name and press the enter key. So after that you will type the new name for file or folder, and at last you have to press the enter key. So this is enough for today, students. We will discuss our further topics in the next video. So keep watching. Thank you.